Power. Oh, see? Power ka ayo. Nice kayo, blender boy. Very nice. Try natin. Dami ang iyak ko. Mm.
I think you need to put
Ha?
you need to put more milk or
Enough. Kuha na kayo. Mm. Mm. It's a combination of ang dalawa ni?
dragon
Dragon fruit, strawberry, and blueberry. Woo! Look at that. All right. Yummy, yummy. I always eat. I always eat as what you said. I'm always Pwede kaya blender na ako diri ang Quaker oat, ay cereal, the some milk, some banana. Pwede? Mag-try ko niya. Some milk, some banana, some oat.
yeah.
I start to live a healthy life again.
Okay, I need to wake up.
Wake up. I know, you're already awake.
I mean, I need to get up in my bed.
Alright, mga ka-LD, ito ang aming ito ang aming daily routine as an LDR couple. Kaya ganito kami. Oye, oye.
Ano kasi, sir? What is your plan this weekend? Ano ko nga, tomorrow, I do babysitting. Ano ko sa'yo. And then Sunday, same as usual, I go to church, go to the market, and then go back home. Yun siya. Oh, did you already explore the city? Oh, I'm not yet. You should. You should. Next time because
Next time, sir, when my husband arrive, we have to explore together. Kasi magbablog kami dito. Oh, yeah.
si ma'am kay Marites mo na kayo. Nabot na ba? Ano siya? Wala na ba sa London yung uyab? Ay mo pa nga, wala pa ma'am. Basta yung mga next year.
London, you know na, next year, I think, early next year.
Uli siya gapon. Kaya siya London. Nag-meeting siya sa kuha ni Obama. Sawa ni Obama.
Obama. What's up, man, Gwen? I think my Gwen is going. He wants to go to swimming pool. I think lagyan ako ning more milk tapos ibutang na ako sa rep. Akong imnom niya ani. Pa-swimming unsa na ako si Gwing Gwing. Ay, mayroon napaday ko diri ko anday yo. Ay mag-shake day gapon ko kuan na kay mango diri hatag ni ma'am. This mango is nice from the Philippines. Yoo. From the Philippines daw. Ha? Swimming na ako si Gwen. Gwen. To make it. And I'll drink this later. Naka-swimming sa akong nag-venue. We're going to the swimming pool. Kaya guys, ito yung aming daily routine.
Shower ka?